roosters in there. A rooster. Are you a hen? Do you want to say cluck, cluck, cluck to the boys and girls? Oh, do you want to say cluck, cluck, cluck? Belgium. You want to say that name again? I'm not saying it. Okay, she said it better than me, boys and girls. Yes. Hi there. There you go. Yeah, you said hi to the boys and girls, huh? This is Americana hen. You want to tell the boys and girls a little bit about your chicken?
Okay, this is Countess. She's a Serama, the world's smallest breed of chicken.
Oh, okay.
And she is a hen.
Okay.
And
How old is she?
She is 4.
4 years old, boys and girls. Yeah, she's been around for a while and been at a lot of fairs.
Yeah.
Boys and girls, her mommy trains her also. Look at that. She knows how to pose. Yes, she does.
This is an old English Bantam.
An old English what?
Bantam.
Bantam? Bantam. Sorry, boys and girls. I don't know about this gentleman here. This is his little hen.
And
how old is she?
She's over a year.
Over a year. Oh, look at this. Look at this one. Let's just move over. Listen up. Come on, follow Mama. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh my. Come on. Let's follow directions. Let's move. Walk forward. Come on, sweet. Come on. There you go. Come on. Keep walking forward. Come on. Walk. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Turn around. Go, Griffin. Let's go. No, keep walking forward. No, not backwards. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope, he doesn't want to go. Nope. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to sit down. Nope. There we go. It's his little. Somebody saw him. Showing us his chicken. In the hen. There's our two boys with their hens. Look, boys and girls. All the hens are all lined up.